Hey guys, sorry for the abrupt ending to the last video. I'm recording everything on my phone and I'm like running out of storage room very fast. So I'm gonna do combinations for this video. As you can see, I already wrote and solved the problem, so I'm gonna talk through it and explain every single step, and then I'm gonna solve one example like with you. Just because I'm running out of room on my phone. So, example 3, this is a combination example. An encyclopedia has 14 total volumes, but I only have room on my shelves for 11. What are the total number of possibilities I can choose to put on my bookshelf? And it's a combination because order does not matter in this case. I just need to choose like any 11 to put on my shelf. And so my N, which is my total, is 14. My R, which is my desired number from the last video, is 11. This is the formula I'm using: N factorial over N minus R factorial times R factorial. And so here I just plugged in the numbers. 14 factorial, parentheses, 14 minus 11, and then, a separate 11. 14 minus 11, before I even touch the factorial function, is 3. So this is what it looks like now. And after here, this is where I expanded everything. So 14 factorial on the very top, and then 3 factorial right here, and then 11 factorial right there. And as you can see, between the 3 and the 11, it's just multiplying. It's just a single multiplication. So that is expanded, and I also went and I started canceling. So this is my 1, 2, 3, 4's cancel, 5 cancel, 6's cancel, 7's cancel, 8 cancel, 9's cancel, 10's cancel, and the 11 cancels. The 11s cancel. And I went ahead and I got rid of the 1. So it's 14 times 13 times 12 over 6 that I'm left with. And that came out to 364. And you can go ahead and pause the video right now if you want to just take a glance onto like how I solved it. Okay, so now I'm going to do one example for a combination, and we're going to solve it together. Example. Okay. How many different committees? This is example 4. How many different committees of 6 people can there possibly be out of 13 people? And so N, which is your total, is 13. R, which is your desired, is 6. And so I'm just going to plug everything in. N, so 13 factorial over, plug it in, 13 minus 6 factorial parentheses, 6 factorial. Do the subtraction first. 13 factorial over 7 factorial, 6 factorial. Now we're going to expand. 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. All the way Is that right? Yeah. 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 6 factorial. Start canceling now. 1 always has to be on the top and 1 always has to be on the bottom. 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6, 7, all the way over there. And I'll go ahead and cancel that 1. So I'm left with 13 all the way to 8, and then 6 all the way to 2. So 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Over 6 to 2, so that's 30, and that's 24, so 30 times 24. So you're left with, let's see here, 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 divided by, oh, you know what, let's do this, because I have a really simple calculator. 30 times 24, which is 720, so 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 all the way over 720. It's 13 times 12 times 11 times, which is 1716. There you go. And that's your answer. So go ahead, and if you want, you can just pause it really quickly just so you can see like the final product of the board. Okay. So sorry again about that last video. I'm still learning like the whole like everything about this whole like, you know, YouTube thing. But thank you for your patience. These 2 videos covered factorials, permutations, and combinations. I really hope this helped. Please continue to email me about these videos, and yeah, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to do binomial distribution and the normal distribution.